Hey guys, it's Lyle here. I'm back out at Flack Lake and I have another cooking video for you. Already got the fire going. Today I am making campfire nachos. I'm going to show you the ingredients that we got over here. We got some ground beef, Tex-Mex, got the Tostitos, taco mix, got a nice pie for dessert, salsa, and we have some yogurts over there just for another snack. Gonna be a good setup. Let's get started here. Karina here is going to be making some tea. Gonna let that boil, or at least warm up. So we have the meat ready to be cooked. We're going to prepare some of the taco stuff here. Right. So we just got the meat on there. Break that all up nice. So while we do that, we can get this all prepared here. You want to put up the stuff or you want me to?
How do you want it cut?
Maybe dice.
How's meat? Done. Some collard greens. Some collard greens. It's organic. Something will come eat it. We don't litter. I don't like my food touching my other food. I don't really like tomatoes, but it's good for nachos. Is that recording the whole time?
Yep.
Okay.
So while she was over there, I just had the meat cooking up. That's coming along, and once that's all ready, we're gonna just toss all this onto the fire.
Well, I mean, pretty much it's just homemade nachos. It's really easy. We're just cooking the meat over the fire. We have our Tostitos in here. I'm gonna throw some salsa on it, some cheese, and then
A lot of cheese.
this whole bag of cheese is going on it before it freezes. And then we have our tin foil to go on top so that the cheese melts properly. These are really...
Don't forget to check out that dessert at the end. Ooh, that's gonna be good.
lemon meringue pie.
Nice.
She's a little jiggly wiggly, but we like jiggly.
One of the things we like to do here at the channel is we don't have the tag on here, but some of the stores give 100% of the profits to charities. So often I will buy those, a little bit more expensive, but hey, why not?
Yeah, that's cool. I didn't even notice that.
Meat's coming along nice.
And I got some tea bags, some orange pico tea bags, just 4 of them. And I'm gonna let that steam. And we got sugar and a baggie somewhere. Cooking food out on an open fire is like the best. The flavor is so good. You don't get the same flavor as like cooking at home unless you're a really good chef.
So while the food is cooking here, we're just about finished everything. I'm going to take you over to the lake and show you Mount Baldy. This is a video, or this is a thing that I've talked about actually now in a couple different videos. Right across the lake. I'll have to zoom in. Beautiful, beautiful area. And time to prepare a little bit more of the food because the meat's just about finished.
Yeah, frosted. And with this comes more cheese. Just to melt the cheese. It's all prepped, ready to go. Oh, you know what I hate?
What?
When I get smoke in my eyes and I just need to sit here and like...
Yeah, try to like revive yourself.
Yeah, revive, yeah. I just want to make sure that it's not over direct flame. I don't want to burn the little bastards. Just want it to be over the hot coals. Even
So in a few minutes, it's gonna be ready to take off.
ready? Just put coals on the hot nachos. Now, for the reveal, hopefully nothing's stuck on the top. Oh yeah.
Ooh, yeah.
Oh, there we go. And then nachos. Ooh.
Beauty. Hear the crisp.
That's so good.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Perfect. So with the nachos, we had them cooking over the fire for a little while.
I'm gonna keep them
Maybe
warm.
for about 10 or 15 minutes or so. We had to put a little bit of coals on top of the tin foil, but turned out amazing. I got a nice picture of it here.
Lyle actually came up with the ideas to put the coals on the top, but I was kind of scared because they're really hot.
So we cooked up the full thing. It's pretty delicious, and then lastly we just have the dessert. So hopefully you guys liked the cooking today, and remember, stay tuned, stay motivated, and do what you want to do.
And give this video a big thumbs up for yummy food.
Thumbs up really helps grow the channel. Thanks, guys.
Bye. My mouth.